Hello everyone on my channel. Tomorrow I plan to go to find some new spot for coyote hunting. I know one public area. I just want to check it. I want to try to find some cottontail rabbits with my shotgun, 12 gauge. Don't sit in it home. Go outside. Nature is beautiful. Let's go.
Trying some new spots. I see a lot of tracks of rabbits, deers, coyotes and foxes. I just put my e-collar 100 yards away. I just want to add that a lot of additional e-collar I downloaded for free sounds for my e-collar. It worked perfectly. It's around 150 yards from me and it works great. I'm just planning to buy some jack moving around decoy, but first I want to try to see some real life coyotes in this Ohio public land. I put there some my home bunny pet poop for like smelling a real rabbit bunny. Yeah, today I'm using my 223 Remington 5.56 NATO caliber R15 with Arkin SH4J Gen 2 624 and 50. My Primus tripod trigger stick with holder. Also have my Bina harness, my camo, my Sierra design puffer. Nothing. I like sleep a lot today and I come here around 8. It's already sun was already rised. But not a problem, it's a beautiful, nice spot, a lot of tracks. Next time I came here at night. I try to catch some predators at night. So if you like my content, please subscribe on my channel, give me some likes, give me some comments. What do you think about this public hunting? And don't sit at home, go outside. A lot of beautiful nature. Is deep winter, but very beautiful nature everywhere.
After not very successful hunting on the coyotes, I try get my shotgun and find some rabbits.
Today I'm hunting in the daytime. Like looking for a new spot. I see there's a lot of rabbits living here and like looks like tags for foxes and tags of deers, maybe coyotes.
Beautiful day. Stevens 220. 3. I know need more.
Yeah, today was successful hunting for these rabbits, and I wanna just show you how to dress the rabbits. You need a rope, you need to put it on a tree, you can dress it in the fields, but clean everything after. Okay, let's go cook these rabbits with the carrots and onion. Let's go.